Guys, ngayon nga pala is papunta kami sa lamay ng tita ng asawa ko, yung kapatid ng kapatid ng tatay niya. Ito nga pala sa India, pag namatay yung isang tao is nililibing agad. So since may kasi nga hindi nila embalsamo. So since dahil may inaantay silang kapatid na nasa ibang bansa, so ngayon is nilagay nila sa ref. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng ref nila dito.
If you don't shout or something, we are going to die also.
Guys, ngayon nga pala is papunta kami sa lamay ng tita ng asawa ko, yung kapatid ng kapatid ng tatay niya. So namatay pala siya noong Tuesday at pangatlong araw na ba ngayon? Kasi today is already Friday, diba? So ngayon lang kasi dumating yung ibang kapatid nila nasa ibang bansa. So dito nga pala sa India, pag namatay yung isang tao is nililibing agad. So since may kasi nga hindi nila embalsamo. So since dahil may inaantay silang kapatid na nasa ibang bansa, so ngayon is nilagay nila sa ref. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng ref nila dito. So since papunta kami doon, kailangan ko takpan tong na to. Sinipsip kasi ako ng aswang. Alam niyo naman dito sa kanila, konting bagay lang. Ayun. Konting bagay lang is tinatanong nila ako. So this time is kailangan ko takpan to. Alam niyo naman yung bunganga ko pag every time na tinatanong nila ako, lumalabas talaga yung totoo. Baka mamaya sabihin ko sinipsip ng asawa ko tapos napagalitan siya. Na nga ako ayan nag turtleneck na nga ako para hindi makita. Pero ayun. Kita pa ba? So ayun, nag-aayos na lang pala ako. So ngayon is inaantay ko na lang yung asawa ko. So yung asawa ko is nandun pa siya sa may injection kasi siya. So minsan nagpa-part-time din siyang home nurse. So ayun, may mga patient na pinupuntahan siya. So while I'm waiting, mag-ayos muna ako. So first time ko nga palang pupunta doon kasi matapang ako. But when it's come to patay, pagka ganyan, natatakot ako. Kasi okay naman ako sa tita niya, mabait yun sa akin. Like every time nakikita niya ako, pag sumisimba kami is lagi niya ako na how are you? Punta ka dito sa amin, ganito ganyan. So wala lang, natatakot lang ako kasi iba dito sa kanila, nakikita mo talaga buong di ba yung sa atin pag pag cremate, nakikita mo buong katawan tanggal. Dito kasi sa kanila ganun din. Pero since naka freezer. So hindi siya labas talaga, naka-glass siya. So yun.
I-share ko lang, hindi pa din pala kami makaalis till now kasi nga ulan pa din ng ulan. 'Di ba sa atin sa Pilipinas pag umuulan, ibig sabihin parang hindi niya patanggap? Tama ba? So, yun. Kanina po hindi yung ulan. Kasi ngayon yung last lamay. It's already 10, no? Ayan. Hindi pa din talaga tumitila yung ulan. Sobrang lakas. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ewan kung if makikita.
Ayan. Nabasag pa nga ang glass. Nabasag pa nga. Bago pumunta doon sa lamay, what's the meaning of this? Wait lang. Lilinisin ko muna yan. Baka matitanong. Hala. Ano kaya ibig sabihin ng ganito?
Raincoat is mabaho. Same like you. Mas mabaho. I haven't taken a bath today. Red pa. Tara. Let's go. We're going to where's my sleeper? Namin magpayong. Malapit lang naman to. It's only near, but it's raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. Tara, let's go. Sige. I need to close the gate.
Wait, no.
Sige. You're getting it?
No. You know that it's a small liar.
It's okay because we're only near. Near only, malapit lang. But I'm scared. I'm scared. You are scared.
If you feel like the wind come, just leave the umbrella. If you still try to hold it, you will also go.
Okay.
Patay lang yan.
Oh.
Okay, only.
Your umbrella is more important. What?
Patay. For what you want umbrella?
Yeah. Okay. They don't even have here, what's that?
If you don't shout or something, we are going to die also.
Yeah. Walang straight. Street light.
La 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 la. Singgo mati na sa mati apa na
Ayan
tama
na. Punta tayo sa parang yung parang bahay ano pinanggalingan. Oh my God. Walang tata. No one is there.
Not too much people, it's already old.
Ah. Only if it's young, there will be.
അവനെന്നെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നു എന്നെ അവൻ അടിച്ചാലും അവനെന്നെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നു മാർവിലിന്നു ഞാൻ ചാരിയിടുമേ പുകൾ പെരുകും പുത്തനേറുശലേമേ തിരുമാർവിലിന്നു ഞാൻ ചാരിയിടുമോ വാനവരിൽ സ്തുതിനാദം സദമുഴങ്ങും ശാലേം വാനവരിൽ സ്തുതിനാദം സദമുഴങ്ങും ശാലേമേ എന്നു ഞാൻ ചേർന്നിടുമോ പരസുതനെ എന്നു ഞാൻ ചേർന്നിടുമോ പരസുതനെ എന്നു ഞാൻ ചേർന്നിടുമോ പരസുതനെ എന്നു ഞാൻ ചേർന്നിടുമോ.
Okay, so since dahil galing na kami sa Lamay at walang pagkain doon. Ewan ko, walang pagkain, di katulad sa atin. Sarap lang. So, at dahil wala din ditong order na 24 hours, kaya naman kakain tayo ng lutong bahay. Di ba I give it to you there, the bowl. So, dahil walang pagkain bahay at bawal pala kami kumain ng karne 3 days. Pero kumain na ako ng itlog. Di ba? I already eat egg. So, ayan, ito. Papadang. Made by my, my housemate.
Destroy property.
Ayan. Ito na yung pagkain namin. Bawal kumain ng itlog pero kanina kumain na ako. Hindi ko kasi alam na bawal pala yung itlog. Akala ko yung manok lang at saka any type of meat. So, bawal pala kahit itlog. Here, and then pickle. How much is that? Hala ka, bubo ka. Who is Indiano? I should be the one who will not obey you, ha? Because, you're not even obeying your culture. Then everything.
No culture.
When it's come to me, I cannot eat. 3 days I'm craving for chicken, then I cannot even eat. Just use with your teeth. And then, mango. Yan na show you. Mango curry. And mango curry pala yan. Gawa ng biyanan ko. So yan yung pagkain namin. Kawawa naman. Alam yung pagkain. But that time when Appa died, 40 days.
Of course, it's your partner.
If it's your father,
Of course.
you will only obey. But,
Not always all about like what you feel. Somebody find out you're eating. You may feel like something happened like that. You feel like you take it. You don't like something.
Maybe.
For what?
but in the Philippines, I guess if someone died, it's okay lang. We can eat anything.
Actually, there is, but you people don't follow.
We don't
You're
talk like
Christian,
that.
right?
Yeah, I'm
It's
Christian.
only the Christian religion. No. You have 50-day fasting. Oh, are you taking the?
We have 50 days fasting. Yeah.
Why you are not Roman Catholic?
Yeah.
You are, but you people not taking. Just try to look the people who are really in the belief.
This is shrimp.
No.
Shrimp pickle. It's masarap, ah. I like it. But only one thing I noticed, no any aswang here. No any scary like that. Why? Me. Is there any aswang? Aswang here?
You know, number one super delicious country in the world is Philippines and India.
But why I cannot feel there is aswang here? I want to experience that I will be pregnant. Then I will stay in the outside. Then I want to Then I went to see if there will be a swing. Think there is. Because I never noticed here. Only you are the aswang. Mo, yung ano me here. Aswang. See, lately when we go there, I'm feeling shy. Because what if they see that, they will think, who? Ano you?
Who?
And then I will say, it's you.
Then who will do that?
Me, you're not feeling ashamed, no?
Maybe you're feeling guilty.
I'm guilty. What's guilty with that? It's not yet stopping raining. Why you tagal?